I purchased this bowl a long time ago at a secondhand store and it was chipped. Well, it is chipped as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Mod Podge only to disguise this little border here. I'm gonna be adding some silver leaf and that's only gonna be in the border. So now let's go ahead and continue to put these gold leaves, and I'm going to do that in the entire rim. And this is how it's looking so far. So we're going to wait until it dries, and then I come in with a brush and I start brushing out the excess silver leaf. I don't know why I want to continue to say gold leaf, because obviously it's not gold, it's silver. Adding more of Mod Podge. I just want to make sure that I can save as much as possible. Okay, so now I'm coming in with the brush, and as you see, I'm just taking the excess out. Once it's done, then I come in with some more Mod Podge and I will go ahead and seal it in. So now it's time to go ahead and start painting the inside with the white chalk paint. And again, I'm giving it 2 coats. So I purchased this at a garage sale with a different vase. I am measuring it. I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the flowers, and then I'm gonna add some silver leaf only to make sure that it's nice and uniformed. And I'm only gonna add it just to the border. I'm gonna be doing the same procedure, some Mod Podge and then some silver leaf. Once everything is put together, then I take the brush and I relocate some of this leaf wherever I think is needed. And then of course I do the same procedure. Once this is dry, I come in with a different brush and I brush the excess off. Once done, then I'm gonna start adding the flowers. And I'm also adding some more flowers from the bottom of my stash. This is gonna turn out absolutely beautiful. I also want to welcome you to another open collaboration. This month's theme is Mother's Day DIY using glass, and I was inspired by my mom who loves flowers. So this arrangement is made in her honor. This collaboration happens every month and it is being hosted by Loli and myself. Every month we try to bring in a new guest host, and this month I am thrilled to welcome Zaina from OK at Home DIYs. The links directly to their channels will be down in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking, and let them know that I sent you. And as always, it's an honor to have you here. I hope you enjoyed this first project. For our next project, I have this cylinder that I'm going to be decorating. I'm going to be using this wallpaper, only a piece of it. I'm going to go ahead and measure it, cut it with my scissors, and then I'll start peeling it and start adding it to the bottom of the cylinder. And of course, I purchased these items at Dollar Tree. Years ago, I purchased this ribbon. Of course, it's made out of metal, and I'm going to be adding hot glue, and then I'm going to start placing it around the cylinder. This is turning out so beautiful. I really like this project. It's nice and simple, yet very elegant. And then inside, you could add a flower, a candle. The options are endless. And I went and I decorated with a tall candle that I found again in the bottom of my stash. So I repurposed it and then I added to the inside and it looked absolutely gorgeous. I was really impressed the way this turned out. But your opinion counts a lot to me, so let me know in the comments section what you think about this one. And here's the final review, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to continue to craft my stash. So this little cylinder, of course, from Dollar Tree. All I'm doing is taking this candle holder and adding plenty of hot glue, and then I'll be adhering them together, just like you see here. This is so simple, yet it came out so elegant. And all I did was add a battery operated candle in the inside, and that was it. You could also add a floating candle, fill it up with water, or just simply add flowers to it. And this is it, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy it. I purchased this beautiful napkin at Dollar Tree. I never saw this one before, but when I saw it, I thought it was so gorgeous, and that's the one that I'm going to be using. But in the meantime, I'm adding plenty of Mod Podge in the center of the plate, and I'm going to continue to use some silver and gold leaf, only in the middle, or should I call it center. And then the gold leaf that I am adding is just little pieces that were left over from different projects. And I'm just going to go ahead and just throw them like you see here. And then of course I'm coming in with bigger pieces that I will also be adding that in. And here's the beautiful napkin that I was talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into 4 pieces, only because I'm trying to avoid as much wrinkles as possible. And now adding more Mod Podge, I'm just gonna go ahead and start placing all 4 pieces. I'm trying to line up the napkins to, continue the pattern, but at the end it really doesn't matter because there's so much going on in the plate that you won't even notice it. But yes, it turned out absolutely gorgeous. And look at how it's turning out. Now the edges, as you see, you can tell that is a napkin, so I come right back in, and with some more leaves, I'm gonna go ahead and place it right in the edges. Right there where you see that opening, that there's no napkin, I come later on and I also add some of that leaf, and then it's covered. I also want to take this moment to thank every single one of my amazing viewers for stopping by and watching my video. I truly appreciate you staying until the end. If you have not subscribed yet, I would love for you to join my channel. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist link below for more creative inspiration. I hope to see you in my next video soon. And a special thank you to Loli and our guest host Zaina for collaborating this month with us. And here's the final review, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy these 4 projects that I have brought to inspire you in some kind of way.